Changing your phone number on Current is a straightforward process. Follow these simple steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once in the app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner. Tap on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the Account Settings menu, find the option labeled Phone Number. Tap on it to proceed to the next screen where you can edit your current number. Step 4. Enter your new phone number. Delete your old phone number and type in your new phone number. Double check for any errors to ensure the number is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new number, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm the changes and update your account. Now your phone number is successfully changed on Current. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.